But now when you impose the idea of linear space-time on the concept and allow yourself to perceive reality a moment at a time, which, as we have said, is actually a perception of the same moment, but from different points of view that you interpret as different moments linearly, one after the other, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so forth. What happens then, from your perspective, is that the space-time reality, the space-time perspective, or what could be called the space-time lens, or space-time prism, or space-time filter that you impose upon your consciousness, just like a prism bends light, the space-time filter or lens bends the idea of how the interconnections exist between different individuals, so that it no longer exists simultaneously or is perceived to exist simultaneously. It is now bent upwards to make it seem as if the same soul, that is an extension of the oversoul, is experiencing over and over and over again an incarnation in linear terms, one after the other. You can now see that the black arrow in the chart below is bent upwards to go back into the soul level, so that it appears as if the same soul is having different physical incarnations, one after the other. But the mechanical truth is the graphic up above, without the idea of the bending of the space-time reality. So you can see that just because the space-time lens makes it appear as if the same soul is having incarnation after incarnation, the truth is these are different souls, different extensions of the oversoul, each of which is having its own physical experience that's connected to every other physical experience through those horizontal little black energy arrows. But again, because those arrows get distorted by the space-time lens, you perceive it in a linear fashion.